Dear friends, welcome back to our channel Easy English Grammar. In this class, we are going to discuss interrogative adjectives. They are what, which and whose. What, which and whose are interrogative adjectives. These are also interrogative pronouns. But the interrogative pronouns കൂടിയാണ്. But there is difference between the usage of interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Let's examine the examples of these interrogative adjectives. What? What color is your new shirt? What color is your new shirt? Here what is preceded by the noun color. Color എന്നുള്ള nounന്റെ മുമ്പിലാണ് what വരുന്നത്. So what color is your new shirt? What is the color of your new shirt? ആ സെന്റൻസിൽ what എന്നുള്ളത് interrogative pronoun ആണ്. Here it comes just before the noun. What color is your new shirt? That is why what is an adjective in this sentence. What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? എത്ര മണിക്കാണ് ട്രെയിൻ പോവുക? What time does the train leave? Time is a noun and what comes just before the noun time. That's why what here in the sentence 2 is an interrogative adjective. What make use your phone? What make is your phone? അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫോൺ ഏത് കമ്പനിയുടെ what make is your phone? ഇപ്പോൾ സാംസങ്, നോക്കിയ, ഐഫോൺ etc. അപ്പോൾ what make use your phone? What make is a noun here and what comes just before the noun make. Make is not a verb here, it is a noun. What make use your phone? What time is it? What time is it? It is 10 o'clock. Okay. What time is it? What time? Here is in this sentence too. What is an interrogative adjective because it occurs just before noun time. So here we can see interrogative adjectives as an adjective which comes just before the noun. What color? What time? What make? What time? But these are in these sentences what is used as interrogative adjective. It is not interrogative pronoun here. It is used as interrogative adjective. Now let's look at the example of whose and which. Whose car is this? Whose car? Here whose is used as interrogative adjective because it modifies the noun car. Whose car is this? Whose idea was it? Whose idea was it? അതാരുടെ ആശയമായിരുന്നു? Whose idea? Idea is a noun and this noun is modified by the word whose. That's why whose is an interrogative adjective. Whose idea? Which bag is yours? Which bag is yours? ഏത് ബാഗാണ് നിന്റെ? Which is your bag? Which is your bag എന്നുള്ള സെന്റൻസിൽ which is a pronoun. Which bag is yours? ഏത് ബാഗാണ് നിങ്ങളുടേത്? Well, here it is an adjective. Which bag is yours? Which book do you want? Which book do you want? The noun book is modified by the word which. Which book do you need or do you want? ഏത് പുസ്തകമാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടത്? Which book do you want? Here whose car, whose idea, which bag, which book. Whose and which are used as interrogative adjectives here. Now let's look at possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. They are my, our, your, his, her, its and their. These are possessive adjectives. This is my pen. My pen. The noun pen is modified by the word my. This is my pen. In this example, my is an example of possessive adjective. India is our country. Country is modified by the word our. Our country. Our country. So here, our is a possessive adjective. Your performance was superb. Your performance was superb. Your performance. In the performance, ഉജ്ജ്വലമായിരുന്നു. Here, the word your modifies the noun performance. That's why your is a possessive adjective. That is his book. Her name is Anne. His tail is long. Their dance was amazing. Here that is his book. His book. Here the word his modifies the noun book. But that is his book. That's why his here is an adjective. Her name is Anne. Her name. The word her modifies the noun name. Her name. That's why it is a possessive adjective. His tail is long. His tail. tail means വാൽ, അതിൻ്റെ വാല് നീളം കൂടിയതാണ്. His tail. Or here the word is modifies the noun tail. That's why it is an adjective. Their dance was amazing. Here the word their adjective there modifies the noun dance. Their dance. That's why there is a possessive adjective. Now let us examine the position of adjectives. They are attributive and predicative. Attributive adjectives are adjectives that comes before the noun, that precedes the noun. Predicative adjectives follow the noun. Attribute adjectives എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ it comes before the noun. noun മുമ്പ് വരുന്ന adjectives-നാണ് attributive adjectives എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Predicative which comes after the noun. noun-ന് ശേഷം വരുന്നതാണ് predicative adjectives. ചില adjectives നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് തരത്തിലും attributive ആയിട്ടും predicative ആയിട്ടും ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. ചില adjectives എപ്പോഴും attributive ആയിരിക്കും, ചിലത് എപ്പോഴും predicative ആയിരിക്കും. ചില adjectives നമുക്ക് can be used both attributively and predicatively. attributive ആയിട്ടും predicate ആയിട്ടും ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. ഇവിടെ beautiful എന്നുള്ള വേർഡ് we can use as attributive and predicative. But it is a beautiful dress. A beautiful dress എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ it comes before the noun. dress എന്നുള്ള noun-ന് മുമ്പായിട്ടാണ് beautiful വന്നത്. The dress is beautiful. The dress is beautiful. Here beautiful comes after the noun. ഇതിൽ പിന്നെ ഈ noun-ന് ശേഷമാണ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. That is why it is predicative. അതുകൊണ്ട് അത് predicative ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ adjectives can be used as attributively and predicatively. The verbs be, become and seem take adjectives predicatively. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഈ വേർബുകൾക്ക് ശേഷമാണ് അതിൻ്റെ adjectives വരുന്നത്. He is happy. He is happy. He is the subject. Happy. He happy. Adjective is happy. He is happy. Here the adjectives come predicatively. She was mad. She was mad. Mad comes after the verb be. They became rich. They became rich. Which is the adjective which comes after the verb become. Became. They became rich. Raju seems unhappy. Raju seems unhappy. Unhappy is the adjective which qualifies the noun Raju and it comes after the verb seem. Raju seems unhappy. Raju seems unhappy. Here these verbs be, become and seem. The adjectives come after these verbs because here the adjectives are predicative, not attributive. അപ്പോൾ ഈ സെൻറ്റൻസുകളിൽ ഇത് predicative ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ qualitative adjectives either comes before the noun or after the noun. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുക ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ഈസ് എ ക്വാളിറ്റേറ്റീവ് adjective. ക്വാളിറ്റേറ്റീവ് adjectives ആണ്. അത്തരം adjectives noun-ന്റെ മുമ്പോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പിമ്പോ വരാം. അപ്പോൾ qualitative adjectives can occur either attributively or predicatively in a sentence. Here are certain adjectives which occurs attributively. That means these adjectives come before the noun. Chief, main, principal, utter, sheer are attributive adjectives which comes before the noun. The chief cause is unknown. The chief cause, the important cause or the prime cause is unknown. Chief is the adjectives which comes before the noun cause. The chief cause is unknown. The main thing is to stay calm. The main thing, the important thing is to stay calm. ശാന്തമായിരിക്കലാണ്. Stay calm. Here thing is the noun. Main is the adjective. It is utter nonsense. It is utter nonsense. Utter is the adjective. Nonsense is the noun. This utter comes before the noun nonsense. The nonsense is utter എന്ന് പറയില്ല. This utter nonsense because this is an attributive adjective which does not come after the noun. The festival was sheer delight. The festival was sheer delight. Sheer is also an adjective which comes before the noun. That means it is an attributive adjective. Though these adjectives do not come after the verb or in the predicative position because these are attributive adjectives. Here we have certain examples. In these examples the adjectives come both attributively and predicatively, but there are difference in meaning. ഇവിടെ attributive ആയിട്ടും predicative ആയിട്ടും adjectives വരുന്നു. For he is a poor teacher. Here it is an attribute adjectives. Poor teacher. അപ്പോൾ ഹീസ് എ പുവർ ടീച്ചർ. ദ ടീച്ചർ ഈസ് പുവർ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ രണ്ട് സെന്റൻസിലും രണ്ടിന്റെയും മീനിങ് വ്യത്യസ്തമാണ്. ഹീസ് എ പുവർ ടീച്ചർ. ഹീസ് എ പുവർ ടീച്ചർ മീൻസ് ഹീസ് എ ടീച്ചർ ഹു ഡസ് നോട്ട് ഹാവ് ദ സ്കിൽ ഫോർ ടീച്ചിങ്. അപ്പോൾ പുവർ ടീച്ചറാണ്, അധ്യാപകൻ എന്ന നിലയിൽ അയാൾ ഒരു പുവറാണ്. That means he has not enough skill in teaching. The teacher is poor. But the teacher is poor. അയാളുടെ നേച്ചറാണ് സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. The teacher is poor. അപ്പോൾ both are different. Here he is a small farmer. He is a small farmer. അയാൾ ഒരു ചെറുകിട കർഷകനാണെന്ന്. ഇപ്പോൾ വൻകിട കർഷകനല്ല, ചെറുതായിട്ടുള്ള കൃഷി നടത്തുന്നതാണ്. He is a small farmer. The farmer is small. The farmer is small. That means his physical nature or physical structure is small. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ശരീരഘടന that is small. So here there are difference between these adjectives when they are used as attributively and predicatively. അപ്പോൾ ചില adjectivesകൾ attributive ആയിട്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ predicative ആയിട്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ വ്യത്യസ്തമായിട്ടുള്ള മീനിങ്ങുകൾ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അത്തരത്തിലുള്ള രണ്ട് adjectives ആണ് poor and small. Dear learners, for time being, let us wind up here. Thank you for watching.